Still in Parliament, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has gone on the defensive in relation to the Zones of Special Operations law. Mr. Holness sought to dismiss arguments that the Mount Salem should not have been chosen as the first zone. The matter has been the centre of controversy since it was revealed the police presented incorrect data about the number of murders in Mount Salem when the zone was announced. TVJ's Janella Precious reports.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness continued his defense of selecting Mount Salem as the first zone of special operation in his update on the initiative in the lower house on Tuesday. He argues that the security forces have been making headway. The Prime Minister explained that there have been 32 special operations conducted by the security forces in the first 10 days. 5 illegal firearms were recovered, 2 wanted men were taken into custody, and a number of lead sheets used in lottery scamming have been recovered.
Though it is early in the implementation of the first zone, the signs for peace and transformation of Mount Salem are positive. This is the first step, and it will yield tremendous benefits for Jamaica and all Jamaicans.
He further told the House that the social intervention aspect is now in train.
The National Work Agency has conducted an assessment of the condition of roads and other thoroughfares in the community, and the National Energy Solutions Limited, NESOL, has also visited the zone. This is formerly Rural Electrification Program.
But for his part, Opposition Leader Dr. Peter Phillips clarified that the PNP is not objecting to the zone, but here's his issue.
In the period since the zone, not only 54 murders, 8 were in of these were in other areas of St. James. Clarendon, I believe, had 6. Westmoreland had 5, and the metro area, Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, had 18. There is a dilemma about having this massive resource of an already under-resourced JCF and JDF in this small area, where if there are violence producers, they are elsewhere, certainly have not been apprehended. And with rampant criminality, with under-resourced police in these other areas of the country.
The opposition also highlighted issues as well relating to the seizure of firearms.
We had, for example, a tweet from ZOSO Communications suggesting that 2 homemade guns were found. But in fact, these appeared, certainly from the pictures, to be just board guns, fake guns, toy guns.
That the weapons discovered are capable of discharging rounds. That member would be fatal. So I wouldn't want us, member, to proceed along a line to try and diminish. These weapons probably have been used in the conduct of a crime.
The zone of special operation in Mount Salem started on September 1 and is expected to come to an end on October 30. Janella Precious, TVJ News.